With this demo, let's dive into the Webcrawler Connector. We'll start with the configuration. The connector supports two connection types, HTTP for static requests and WebDriver for dynamic ones. For this demo, we'll use HTTP one. Next is the user agent. This allows you to emulate a browser. Then we have options like referrer, timeout. There are also crawler options together with enforcing robots.txt. This allows you to respect crawling permissions. There are also load options together with extracting shadow DOM, which isolates specific DOM elements and styles. Now let's go through the operations of the Webcrawler connector. The download documents and download images operations in their configuration require a web page URL containing files to download, along with a location to save them. Get content, get insights, get meta tag operations also work by providing a page URL. Here in the get content, we also need to define output format, which can be text, HTML, or Markdown. Then we have two crawling operations, get sitemap and scan website. The sitemap, in addition to the website URL, requires you to provide a maximum depth. Here you can also enable restriction for crawling under URL and add additional regex URLs filter logic. The website scan operations in their configuration has also an output format. We need to also define the download location. This one needs to be able to store all the target content like meta tags, images, documents we want to download during the scanning. Finally, the search Google operation needs us to provide search query, kind of a prompt, and also an API key to run Google searches. Now let's see it all in action. For download images and download documents, we'll use the NASA website URL. Hitting send. We received a list of downloaded images with their names, MIME type, and URLs. In the Webcrawler folder, we can see the images appear. Let's open one. Looks great. Now download document using the same URL. Hit send. We get a list of downloaded documents and we can open one right from the folder. This is the document. Let's move on. Now insights. Same URL, send request. Now we can see the response includes word count, images, H1, H2, div, p, reference, different type of links such as reference, internal, external, images, documents, and even iframe. These insights are super useful for content analysis, SEO, or crawling strategies. Next up is get content operation. Hit send. And we receive the full page content inside the response payload. Moving to the meta tags, sending request, and we get all the meta tags such as description, robots, and SEO related data. Now let's check how the sitemap operation works. This time we will use Max Project's website for faster response, and we set the depth to 1. Hit send. The result includes URLs and priority values reflecting the depth of each page in the structure. Next is the full website scan. This performs a complete crawl depending on the depth configured, downloading content, images, and documents. Let's hit send. And the response returned having a URL, file name, and array of children in it. And finally, search. Here we want to ask what MuleSoft is. Let's hit send. And the response includes the top search results, what people ask, the related searches, for example, Tableau software, what is MuleSoft used for, and there is also some related organic content. And that's how easily you can bring full web crawling and content extraction directly into MuleSoft flows with Webcrawler Connector. Thank you.